and total focus of Brahma Kumari is on role. If role is clear, all conflict starts from our own role. If role is in problem, all three will be in the problem. If role is clear, crystal clear, then all three will be better and better. And we all have resources within us. Every soul who is here, who got resources here in their own software. A beautiful caption is there from Honorable Abdul Kalam, ex-President of India, in one of the famous book, ignited mind is the greatest resource given by the God. Ignited mind is the greatest resource given to us by the God. Ignited mind means what?
Curious.
What else? Why he said ignited? He didn't say mind. He said ignited mind. Enlightened, creative. We all have to charge our mind every day. In the morning, we have to pump ourselves with positive, powerful thoughts. If we will not pump ourselves every morning, problems come in our life. If we just come out and go to the work, again come back, it will become a monotonous life. And monotonous is one of the cause for depression. So pump every morning with positive, powerful thoughts. And that is what we say in charge. In charge means in charge. In charge. I am in charge. What is in charge? Charge in. Charge in. If I don't charge myself, I am coming to hospital and I am sitting on my chair like this. What message will go to patient? Doctor cannot solve his problem, how is going to solve our problem? I am a top leader of organization and I am going like this to my organization. Good morning, sir. Good morning. What good morning? Same thing. So whole organization will be dead army. It depends on the leader who's there. He has to pump the energy to his people. The leadership character is, first character of leadership is pumping the energy to their people. And pumping the energy means vibration. Vibration means information and energy. All the time he is transmitting the energy, vibration to the people. Then it will be army with human being. Otherwise it will be army with human doers. And that is the difference between a good company and a company which don't have any energy. Role has to be clarified each and every one. Whatever company role is there, that matches with the role of people. These are the two factors needed all the time. Acceptance and resilience. Acceptance means many times we have to accept ourselves, our feeling as such, and allow those feelings to go away and then come back to normal. Resilience means I have had to bounce back again in my life. Whatever happened to me, I will bounce back. Mentally I should be tough. Physically I should be elastic. Physically I should be elastic and mentally and emotionally I should be tough. But what happened? We become physically very rough, rigid, and mentally we become insecurity, fear come. And that is where the problems triggers goes to various organs of the body. And the most important gland is adrenal gland. And whenever we have a different negative emotion in our computer, it goes to adrenal gland. And adrenal gland secrete more stress hormone in the body to cope up the situation. Whenever anger is there, I am reacting to it. It is creating 45-minute constriction of coronary artery. 1 minute of anger can lead to 45 minutes constriction of coronary artery. And that is where the heart attacks become very common. Those people who get upset again and again, getting angry again and again, stroke chances become more and more. Because all our blood vessels are elastic. They are not plastic. And that is where we have to make ourselves elastic outside and tough inside. Acceptance means I accept myself as a beautiful human being. I am not superior, I am not inferior, I am what I am. I am not superior, I am not inferior, I am what I am. And that gives us a lot of strength to move on. As the most important two emotions which govern the life are what?
Love.
Two most powerful emotions govern the life is one, love, second, fear. Love and fear, they govern the life. Whichever become more or less, problem always come in the life. Fear create negative neurochemicals in the body, and love create positive neurochemical in the body. And the most powerful binding agent of universe is love. And that is what we say ill. I-L-L. Ill means what? Sick. Ill means I lack love. I lack love. Whenever this thing is lacking, illness will come. A doctor is one who is giving both things to his people, high tech, high touch. A doctor without high touch is just a mechanic, if he is only skilled person, but he is not giving the touch to the patient. Healing starts when doctor, sister touch the patient. Don't worry, I am there. Everything will be all right. 20, 30%, 40% medicine work, 60% is our own healing system. And that is what in English we call healthy. Healthy means heal, die. Heal, die means I can heal myself. Any problem, any disease can be healed if we have a faith and if we have a love. Love and faith create the powerful energy in the body. I will give you the example. One lady, I was doing my post-graduation, she came with a breast cancer stage 4. Fixed mass, liver and lung metastasis. I thought nothing can be done. But she said, you start the treatment. And we started first line of simple chemotherapy because she was from very simple family. Within 2 cycles, she started responding to treatment. I asked, what is there in your mind? Through which I learned in my life. She said, I got a daughter of 18-year-old. Unless she is not going to get married, I am not going to die. Within few cycles, she responded well. She went on. Her daughter get married. 2 years gone, again metastasis started coming. Why? Mission over. Create the mission in our own life. Whenever we go down, create the mission, I have to do this. And people who got their mission, purpose, meaning, they live longer. Never say I am retired. Many times I have seen people telling I am retired now. My children are settled. I am retired. I am retired. I am retired. So what is happening? Message is going to the God that he is retired. He don't have any work. So let me give him something. So God gives us any type of disease. So I will be busy. So never tell yourself I am retired. Retired from the life, retired from profession, not from the life. Till I am there, my mission is there. Feeling of aliveness, hope should be there in the person who is going in the hospital. Then medicine work faster. Otherwise there will be resistance in antibiotic, resistance in the treatment, because there is the inner resistance. And that we have to remove. Whenever we go to hospital, don't go with sulky face, go with natural. I am going there. I am going for the treatment. God want to give me rest. I remember one lady coming to us at Abu, and she had a fracture of hand, Colles fracture. After plaster, I asked, how you are feeling? She said, very good. Now back home, I don't have to work for 3 weeks. God has given me rest. So she took it in a positive way, and healing will be faster. So never become, always tell people, do yourself, I love myself. In the morning, I love myself. I love myself. And whenever you are talking to someone dear and near to you, tell them, I love you. Whenever you are going to hospital to meet the patients, I love you. Don't worry, I am there. And doctor should be, whenever we say here, vibrations are transmitted. Whenever father, mother hugging the child, energy is transmitted. And whenever child going for some good work, hug him. Don't give him too much instruction during that time. They have seen in this study, those father and parents who are giving 18 instruction in 1 minute to their child, their performance goes down. And those parents who don't give minimum instruction, their performance goes up. And I will